watcher, and welcome. I am Grant Hoover. I'm the admin of HUPixelmon Minecraft server and the Mumble client and the IRC client and all that kind of good stuff. And I assume you are here to watch on how to set up whatever aspect of the HUPixelmon gloriousness that you want to. So we're going to make this short and simple from anywhere from a person who doesn't even have Minecraft to a person who just wants to figure out how to log on to the server and install Forge. So I just want to make this simple. Now let's get going on here. First of all, let's go cover the whole downloads part. So in order to download everything, I'll have everything related to the HUPixelmon server as of February 13th, 2014. We have Minecraft, which is at minecraft.net, the Pixelmon actual mod, the Minecraft Forge, which is kind of a mod loader thing for Minecraft that you'll need to install and put Pixelmon in there, Pigeon, which is my preferred IRC client in which you can log on to the HUPixelmon IRC server and then talk to a bunch of people that way rather than use the Minecraft chat. And then Mumble, and this is a voice chat client, which is awesome, and you can talk to a bunch of people as well as a little bit of chat stuff. But we're mostly worried about the voice thing. So, first of all, now that we have downloads covered, let's get on to the Minecraft section. So for Minecraft, I assume basically everyone here has Minecraft. What you're going to want to do is just get Minecraft, you're going to want to log in or register, go through this process, and it'll be a quick just download the exe. That's pretty simple, and then you'll be running Minecraft. But I'm going to go through your two mods here and then go over the whole Minecraft thing. So for Pixelmon, this is the mod that's on the HUPixelmon server right now. We may add more later, but this is the one that you'll need. Basically, you're going to go to this download section and then download it after 5 seconds. Go here and then download it. The last one will be Forge, which on the Pixelmon website they give you a Forge, but this one's more up to date. So just the top one here, go to installer, and then same thing, stay on this page, but same thing, wait a few seconds, and then download it. Okay, so now we have each of these three things, and this is the Minecraft aspect of HUPixelmon. First of all, you want to run Minecraft, it'll start this up. And then after a little bit of time and downloading some stuff, you're going to want to enter your username. And I am, Grant_Hoover. And then I'm not telling you my password, but there we go. So log us in quick. And now, right now, it's at 1.7.4. Yes, it's the latest version, but at this point, most of the mods are in are at 1.6.4. So what you're going to want to do is go to Edit Profile, and under this profile here, go down to 1.6.4, and then just hit Save Profile. And then from here, you'll just play, and then let it wait for a bit as it downloads all of the necessary stuff. So now that it's done downloading, we're just going to wait a little bit longer, and there we go. So heads off, it's going to be a little bit before this comes up, you can just X out that. We have everything that we need. So now that we have that, we have 1.6.4, we're going to double click this Forge installer. As you can see, 1.6.4 right there. We need to download the basic version of Minecraft, that is, and then we're going to be using this, if this will pop up quickly here. There we go. Okay, so now quickly, you don't really have to do anything, just install client, hit OK. It'll download all the libraries you need, and then whenever that's done, then we can install the Pixelmon mod. Okay, well that was quicker than I thought. And then finally, now we have Forge installed, we're going to quickly go here, run Minecraft again. Okay. Now, get out of this 1.6.4, go to Edit Profile again. I'm going to change this to Pixelmon, just so I know that's Forge. And then we're going to have a new version here. All the way at the bottom, you're going to have this Forge version. So then just hit, you don't have to change the name, but just go and make sure you have this version and then hit Save Down, or Save Profile. And then now you'll see update, ready to update. And then whenever you hit play again, then it'll go through here and download the necessary files that you need. And that goes by pretty quickly. So we can X out this again. And then this is where the fun part comes in. So you're going to need to get to your Minecraft directory. So how would you get there, you say? First of all, you just go to your start menu, hit run, and then hit enter. And then you're going to want to type in $app data, and then $sign again. And then just hit OK. Oh, I got an email. And now it might take you here, it might take you to this, whatever it is. You go to roaming under app data, and then go to .minecraft. Now this is where all of your Minecraft stuff is stored, saves, all this kind of fun stuff. So if you want to screw around with it, then here you go. But basically, we have this new section called mods. You're going to want to double click on mods, and then from here, then you're just going to want to drag Pixelmon from your downloads and just kind of stick it in there. And that's how you install it. Now let's go back to Minecraft. And then once it starts up again, as you can see, it's kind of add more stuff. And then we're just going to hit play. And then now we can actually stay on here. It'll again download the necessary stuff, even though all the mods are kind of there. And then that's really it right there. As long as you make sure to download the 1.6.4 stuff, install Forge, download that stuff, then install Pixelmon, and you should be good to go. If you go to mods, Pixelmon should be there, along with the 3 others right there. And then finally, to get onto the server, you're going to hit multiplayer, add a server. I'm going to call it HUPixelmon. And then under the server address, it is HUPixelmon.no-ip.biz. And then whenever you hit it there, then it should be there. I know the connection looks low, but trust me, I don't have a second of latency. It's just kind of weird. And then you can kind of join the server. And here we go. I already have a little bit of stuff going on here, but and here's our game, and then we can play around in the server and all that kind of fun stuff. Okay, so that's the HUPixelmon version, or the tutorial, and then that's how you get in. It's all you really need to do. And yeah, so let's go on to the other 2 sections right now. Okay, so now for Pigeon. This is the IRC chat client, which is basically just talking to people, and it'll be a better place to talk to people rather than the Minecraft chat. And then, you'll just go to SoundForge, wait a few seconds, and then after that happens, then this will come up. So that'll download. And after a little bit of time, we can go to our download section, and then there it is. So normal install process, just go through, select the language, hit next, next. Keep all this the same basically. I mean, there's no real reason not to do it. If you want a desktop shortcut, then hit it there. Other than that, keep all of that the same. And so spell check stuff, but whatever. Okay, so install. It'll install here relatively quickly, but I'll give it a sec. Been completed, hit next, and hit finish. And now we have Pigeon. Alright, now that they have Pigeon installed, basically just go here, search for Pigeon, start it up, or click on your icon, whatever, that kind of fun stuff. So I'm pretty sure this is the first screen that'll show up. If it is, then you'll go to accounts and manage accounts. I already have mine set up, but I'm going to create, this should be blank, and then you're going to want to create an account. So just hit add, and under here go to IRC. And then under username, do whatever the heck you want. So let's just do Bob Builder. And then under the server, same thing as the Minecraft server, HUPixelmon.no-ip.biz. And then under password, don't worry about password. And this is your local alias, so let's just call myself BB. And that's me. So we can add this, and then there we go. So Bob the Builder at HUPixelmon.no-ip.biz. Now we close this out, we have our account. So if we want to join a chat, which is what the IRC whole thing is, so we're going to want to join a chat using our, let's just say, this would be the only one that shows up. Under the channel, do #main, or you can go to room list and it'll be there, and maybe other chat rooms will be there into the future. But this is what we have now, and then you're just going to want to hit join. Boom. So now we have this, and we can talk to people, and this is where all the fun stuff happens. We're going to have a bunch of other stuff. So one member's already in here, and you can just chat in here and be like, yo, and then you're good. So that's how you get on there. And then you can kind of experiment around with what else this does, but this is how you get to the basic HUPixelmon IRC chat client. Last and certainly not least, we have Mumble, and Mumble is going to be our little voice chat client thingy, and then we're going to go here, wait 5 seconds. Luckily, I already have downloaded, and then basically you're just going to want to run it. It's pretty simple, run, next. This should be just kind of install, and we'll go to here, and by default, this Murmur server part entire feature will be unavailable. Keep that way. You don't need the server part, just keep the Mumble client. Go to next, and then it'll kind of run you through the quick installation, and then you'll be good. Whenever it installs, then you're gonna go down here, or wherever you have your shortcut, Mumble, and then you go to Mumble, Now, I already have these set up, but you're not going to have any favorites here. It's going to take a little bit of time, and it's going to kind of go through some things. But once you have this, then it might even bring you to this. So for server, just hit connect, and then you're going to want to add new. At this point, you'll want to set your label as whatever your name is. So I'll just do Grant I'll just do Bob the Builder again. Then under address, you'll do HUPixelmon.no-ip.biz. And actually, I was wrong. This is the label of the actual server. So I'm gonna put this here. Keep the port the same, and I'll make the label just like test server. And then once that's there, then you'll just hit OK. And here's the test server. It'll basically automatically kind of set you up with it. So you want to hit connect.
Connected.
And then boom, you're in. You can kind of talk here, and I gave myself administrative rights, but then you're in here. Welcome to the Harrisburg University Pixelmon Mumble server. Once you get that there, then you'll be good. Okay, so I hope you guys learned a few things about that video. Hopefully everything worked out. You got everything you needed. Please enjoy everything that HUPixelmon has to offer. Stay active, all that kind of fun stuff. If you have any recommendations for me on how I can either improve the server or this video or anything else, either leave it in the comments of this video or in the HUPixelmon Facebook fan page, which I will be linking down there if you're not already linked to there, which you probably should be. And there you go. Hopefully you guys have a nice day, and see you in HUPixelmon.